thunderstorm warning for southeastern Charles County in southern Maryland, St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southern Calvert's County in southern Maryland until 7:15 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from Prince Frederick to Sheridan Point, 28 miles northwest of Leonardtown, and were moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Flag Harbor, Breton Bay, St. Leonard Creek, Calvert Cliffs, Lusby, Hollywood, Leonardtown, Cuckow Creek. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 6:01 p.m. Strong thunderstorms to affect Charles, Prince George's, St. Mary's, and Calvert County.